Jesus Orain.
What?
No! Where you eat?
You think a Chinese have me around about here? Jamaica come from?
Welcome on YouTube, and we're back with our next challenge, guys. So it's been a while since we've done a challenge, but we've been storing up some challenges to do for the rest of this month, next month, like we're bringing it come.
And we'll kick off the first video
This year with a challenge, a hot, well, it's 10 times nuclear ghost pepper, some sort of Scotchville town hot spicy wings. Yeah, guys, so first of all, so we bought these wings from KFC, the spicy wings, and of course we know say that's spicy, you know, but that's a mild spicy. So we'd have to go, we make this thing nuclear full. So we came back home, we whipped up a spicy sauce. So alright guys, so you have cayenne pepper in it, you have scotch bonnet and the seeds and everything bust up in it. And for the one look round up, top up sauce on it, we put in the hot and spicy pickled pepper in it, guys. We would have go all out, and black pepper, every pepper what we can grab. All the pizza pepper probably are reaching there too. Yeah. So we are mixed art. So guys, it was obviously you probably see already, or like I say no. So the sauce, pork on it and everything. It look nice. But now I use my good up fingernail, 5% nails for this out. I get my fork and mix it up. Alright.
So as you can see, I already know because I'm hungry. I don't know if you can see the white squad on my lip. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Now so I eat already now. It must make everything smell and taste good. Man can cook.
So this is when I rub up. Jesus Christ!
It's a drench. Guys, let's see some milk there. So whoever decide to tap out first, whoever decide to tap out first, them can drink the milk and go one side. So basically we'll have 10 minutes to eat 8 spicy wings. Whoever finish first, wins, or whoever has the least amount in their plates after the 10 minutes, they win.
So wait there, how long we have?
10 minutes, so we're going to get your phone and make it be the timer, or one of the other phone then.
Alright, I go for my phone. I just rub up them something up here.
Yeah, so it is well drenched. Nobody can complain with chicken them look like the sauce. Remember say it start off white and or like brown. What the hell wrong with you? Oh dog.
Alright, now I get the timer ready.
Babe.
Yeah.
Dash my part down so please.
Timer.
I'm gonna have to get, dirty with these.
How long is it? 10 minutes?
Yeah. 10 minutes.
Alright. Ready? Come! Alright.
Jesus Christ. 10 minutes. So we're gonna put the bone. Get up here.
What could that cause you?
So we're going to put it on the table. Sure. Are we barbaric now?
Yes. Yes, people.
We should have 2 plates already.
It don't really matter. We have 2 plates. Jesus Christ. People don't see how stressing.
I want to see how I'm clean off him compared to me clean off my bone. Because that's our teeth. Everything has to come off. No skin for left. I'm so excited because I'm hungry. So even if I don't finish first, it's still a win for me because I'm going to get food.
That's what we're doing because I'm the bone me a child.
I'm so excited.
Well, I'm full of it. Alright, so as you can see, the timer
show them 10 minutes.
10 minutes. I don't know if you can see it. The ring light. See the ring light there? Whoa.
Oh man.
Alright. Time starts in 5, 4.
I'm not ready.
3.
I'm not ready. No.
2.
No. Alright, no.
1.
No.
What's your problem?
I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
I'm ready now. I'm kind of ready. I'm ready. Start. Yeah, it starts. Alright, the first one.
Can go on.
Can't go on, but Shadeka. My chest up right.
Alright, yeah.
You not ready for this? Good on. Clean. My lip. Under fire, my lip under fire. Father God. How about that?
Orain, we can't eat that.
A flesh.
How can I get married? Fresh my backside.
Alright. I'm scratching them more. Tell me liver burn me.
It a burn me too, but me can't bother. You know me can't bother. Orain, you pass the time, I said,
No pause.
I said, I'm so high.
Wait.
The count down. That move slow to me.
7 minutes left.
Jesus, my feelings, I'm stomach already. My body have a bud me tonight.
You know something to do with the timer? Put it for 9 hours.
Jesus Christ!
But oh, me I track it. This I got now, so when they are 57, so we have 7 minutes left. Nobody watch the rest. Hey! You see? Must boil me already.
Orain doesn't naturally green here.
Can I do? Where's that KFC? If me never meet Shadeka, would I marry to KFC? Not the kernel, the chicken.
That's still bad Orain.
Belly burn me. Why? You ready to give up?
You must be mad. Was me hungry? You must be mad.
Why? That milk cat. We can't drink some milk.
If you want to lose,
We can taste some.
if you want to lose,
No losing around here.
not the Orain. You put your entire scotch bonnet in this.
Best believe it. You could like eat some of them, I don't know. Got them boil out.
I'll say okay. Nice, do you know? It's spicy, but it's nice.
I just say alpha. Should I just buy more? What you do?
That's really tough. But I want you to talk about lose. Orange cheese, not the same.
Mother of bird. But them didn't clean up our mind to here.
Jesus, Orain.
What?
No! What you eat?
You think a Chinese shop there around about here? Jamaica come from?
You must have been popping on my stomach. No, sir.
People, me have 4 left.
I'm going to pick up speed. We just can't eat fast.
You want it?
You lose some.
Shadeka, you know. The amount. Give me a minute. The amount of flesh upon them bones there.
Which flesh? Jesus.
I saw your bones look clean. 3 minutes left.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
3 minutes?
3 minutes left, Shadeka.
No, that's not. The time don't right.
Hashamama lakala. People will not like. Never again.
Let's go down here.
We can't take this no more.
So drink the milk.
Orain!
I mean, what this?
You never know, it's gonna sweat. Who there? Look on this. Look, this is a Shadeka one, this is mine. Look there.
I told you different size bone though.
Look there, the same bone. Mine cleaner. Shadeka is cheating. Mother of the pearly gate. So look, I'm never burn me now. Never burn me. Hiya, hiya. Damn it. Come to Papa. No.
What? 1 minute? Oh my god, already lose.
1 minute left. Come! Oh, Father, Mother of Pearl. Shadeka, tree. No, sir. Shadeka, now with me.
I'm about to be now. Look what I'm going to do now. I just do a bathing stuff.
What?
What bathing stuff?
I don't know if I explain. I know what food I eat. But my tongue don't know that. And my lip don't know what food I eat. You think it's a big scotch bonnet pepper I bite up. Boy! Some of the sauce!
You stomach.
Some of the sauce fried. No, sir, you can't win me.
Oh, I'm only have 2 left.
I look better. The man hot butter as me say at KFC. 30 seconds left.
No, mama, just wait now.
I know what you're telling me, I give.
I like you tell you, we need. I'm going to have the camera.
Aye. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. One me of left paper. 3, 2, 1. Me win.
No, you have one and same one.
1.5 I have left.
I'm going to have
2. 2 I have left. 2.
Look, I want my have.
I don't mind. You know, you get my both. Why?
You can't drink your milk now. Or you want to push him. And see still okay. We never done for it.
I am victorious. Can we get to?
Me, are you cooking it?
Jesus Christ.
But
Praises be unto the Lord.
I reach the bottom when we all of the sauce drain out. Not much clean.
Come like me just drink some rum. I'm head a spin. No sir. How wicked is this?
My lip kind of the mouth.
Oh God.
Nah. I took it. Wow. I took it like a champ though.
Never ready for this.
My nose I run out though.
Bio!
I bet in competition now.
I am victorious. I'm in Spanish now. I am victorious at that as well. Boy, where still I go? Anyways, people. I don't leave it there, so.
No? I still have a book.
God go with you. If you have made it to the end of the video, we thank you for coming out and watching it. Supporting
But I know to taste sweet.
Orain and Shadeka, my vision blurry. We need to go to the hospital.
Look at you so extra.
Let's try with I'm serious.
You're extra.
How you can't keep it. If you have made it to the end of the video, we urge you to like, share, comment and subscribe. If you are new around here, subscribe. If you are returning resident, because we're not resident around here. Gang for life. Bless you now. Keep up the good work of watching our videos.
What? I'm gonna
Thank you for coming out. The last one is yours. You can have it. See there? It is yours. God bless you all. Anything you like to say to the nice people of YouTube Kingdom?
I think the pepper gone to Orain head scalp. You know it's a road man.
Why?
The pepper gone to Orain. He chat bare foolishness about Kingdom and him so yeah.
Fight the power.
Guys,
Go ahead.
thanks.
Sweat.
Guys, thanks for coming out for our first video of this year. Please help us reach 1,000 subscribers, guys. We're on a journey. Please help us get us 1,000. So please subscribe if you're new. Like up the video. And leave a content and tell you who win or who can manage the pepper better. Because I know say it didn't let me, but I want it together. I just my nose alone.
I'm so sorry. See you in the next video.
No, sir. Guys, comment below which challenge you want to do next. Both side.
See you in the next video, people. Love you. Take care.
Bye.
Happy New Year.
Yes, Happy New Year's, guys. Me a gangster. I might eat slow, but me a gangster.